Looking to capitalize on the latest AI research and tech trends? In this video, we'll explore new commercial opportunities in these exciting fields and we'll tell you how to run your passion for technology into a thriving business venture. So, let's start.
Have you heard of this new search engine called Neva? It's shaking up the search game by offering something that no search engine has: complete privacy and ad-free searches. That's right, no more annoying ads popping up every time you search for something, and no more tracking your online activities. To get started with Neva, you must go to their website, sign up with your email address, and create a password. And the best part? You get a 4-month free trial to try it out. After that, it'll cost you just $4.95 a month. Not too shabby. So what makes Neva different from other search engines? Well, first of all, it's completely private and doesn't use affiliate links. It also has a sleek, modern design that makes it super easy to use. Plus, it has some cool features that set it apart from the rest. For example, Neva has a left panel called Spaces, where you can mark any search result and add it to a space for later use. You can even share these spaces with others or use them to create lists and channels. Another cool feature is the ability to filter search results by blogs or forums, so you don't have to sift through pages or irrelevant results. You can also personalize your news source preferences in the settings, and Neva will try to show those sources in your search results. And if you use apps like Dropbox, Google Products, or Slack, you can connect them to Neva and include their content in your search results. That means you can even search your email right from Neva. So if you're tired of ads and tracking or want a cleaner, more organized search experience, give Neva a try. It may change the way you search for information online. Hey friend, have you heard of Waverly, the fantastic mobile reading app? It's the perfect tool for anyone who wants to stay informed and up to date in their field. It's an AI-powered app that analyzes over 10,000 sources, including blogs, newsletters, and specialized publications to bring you the best content you couldn't find anywhere else. With Waverly, you don't waste time shifting through irrelevant articles. The app's artificial intelligence-based algorithm helps you focus on what's essential rather than popular. And the distraction-free reader removes all the clutter from an article, allowing you to immerse yourself in the content entirely. One of the most excellent features of Waverly is the Wave feature. It's the heart of the app's algorithm and allows you to create your recipe for your personalized feed. You can track industries, trends, and markets that matter to you, making it easier to stay on top of your field's latest news and developments. Waverly is also great for professionals who need to make informed decisions. Executive, analysts, and researchers will find it incredibly useful for tracking industry trends, competitors, and political news. And if you're a community manager, thought leader, or influencer, you'll love being able to share inspiring content with your followers. And for those of us who are constant learners, Waverly is the perfect app to help you stay up to date in our field. But Waverly isn't just about finding great content, it's about engaging with it. You can highlight, annotate, and summarize articles directly from your mobile device and even attach your work to emails, CRMs, and other documents. The app learns from the links you share and the feedback you provide, making it even better with each use. And if you're even in a hurry, Waverly's summarization feature can come in handy. You can quickly summarize an article and get a gist of its critical points without reading the whole thing. This is perfect for busy professionals who need more time to read through long articles but still want to stay informed. One of the best things about Waverly is it's constantly learning and adapting to your needs. The more you use the app, the better it delivers relevant and essential content. The AI-powered algorithm continuously analyzes your reading habits, preferences, and feedback to improve your experience. So whether you're a busy professional who needs to stay informed or a lifelong learner who wants to expand their knowledge, Waverly is the perfect app for you. With its AI-powered algorithm, personalized feed, and distraction-free reader, you'll be able to find and engage with the content you need to be successful. Overall, Waverly is a must-have app for anyone who wants to save time and stay informed. It's received positive reviews from market leaders for its ability to find relevant information that can't be found elsewhere. So what are you waiting for? Download Waverly today and take control of your reading experience. Have you heard of Ferr, the excellent new AI platform that provides relationship intelligence to help users avoid high-risk individuals and spot promising opportunities? If not, let me give you the lowdown on what it's all about. Ferr is designed to be used as a tool for due diligence and is powered by CookieBot, a consent cookie that stores the user's consent data for the current domain. This means that the platform collects data on visitors' website behavior, such as the number of visits, average time spent on the website, what pages have been read, and what interactions have been made. By analyzing this data, Ferr can provide valuable insights to its users. What makes Ferr different from other AI platforms is that it focuses on official databases, trusted news sources, and government reports to give you the objective facts you need to choose who to trust. It uses artificial intelligence and data analysis technology to check thousands of sources worldwide in multiple languages, including exclusive information from risk-related databases that you would never find on Google. Ferr then taps into your various social media contact lists and invitations to constantly monitor your network for risks and opportunities, immediately alerting the user when news or data related to your network appears. Using machine learning, Ferr is continually learning from users to discover new information and weed out false positives. It's all about a combination of social proximity and tangible impact. Ferr calls the relationship intelligence, and it gives companies and individuals the information they need to decide who to trust. You might be thinking, doesn't this platform invade privacy? The app doesn't make judgments. It simply provides users with a 360-degree verification tool. Ferr incorporates a unique database previously available exclusively to more than 8,000 financial institutions for anti-money laundering, risk management, and know your customer services. Ferr makes these data available to all of its users. In addition, Ferr searches include historical and real-time news, corporate ownership history, aliases, documents and leaks, court records, and illegal activity. And unlike other networks, it has machine verification of user-generated content, and each check further trains the AI. The app is currently being tested in closed beta, designed as a first line of defense against the threats lurking in your contacts. By providing you with the information you need and shedding light on the dark corners that attackers don't want you to see, Ferr can help you identify risks and prevent problems before they arise. All in all, Ferr is a powerful tool that can help you make informed decisions about who you can trust. It's a combination of cutting-edge technology and old-fashioned due diligence that can give you peace of mind regarding your personal and professional relationships. So what are you waiting for? Give Ferr a try today. Have you heard about Sizespace yet? It's the most excellent new AI-driven platform for exploring, understanding, and publishing research papers. With over 270 million articles, authors, topics, journals, and conferences in its searchable database, Sizespace is the ultimate destination for researchers, publishers, and institutions. Not only does it offer a plagiarism checker and journal submission features, but it also has an AI co-pilot that decodes any research paper, making it easy for you to understand, and if you're looking to publish, Sizespace has covered you with its flexible pricing plans and various services to streamline the process. Plus, with over 40,000 journal templates, you can find one that fits your needs. But Sizespace stands out because of its personalized recommendations for popular articles, topics, and conferences. You can also find simple explanations and answers from AI for every article you read, and a network of related and relevant articles, all in one place. It's like having a trusted friend by your side as you explore the vast world of scientific research. Sizespace was created by Sai and co-founder Shanu Kumar in 2015, when they realized that researchers worldwide were wasting valuable time on secondary tasks instead of focusing on their research. They started with a research formatting tool, but quickly evolved into a full-fledged platform with tools to make the research process seamless. By 2021, millions of people worldwide were using their platform. However, they knew they could do more. Feedback and industry experience showed them that research still needed to be siloed and access barriers impeded the free flow of knowledge. That's why they rebranded as Sizespace in 2022, aiming to make science more accessible and collaborative. And that's not all. Sizespace also covers an XML converter that allows you to convert your research paper from one format to another, saving you time and effort. They also have a feature that helps you find the right journal for your research based on your specific needs and preferences. Another great thing about Sizespace is that it's constantly evolving and improving. They listen closely to customer feedback and always look for ways to enhance their platform. They are passionate about their work and are dedicated to positively impacting the world of research and publishing. Not only that, but they also have a supportive community of users who are always there to help and answer questions. Whether you're a seasoned researcher or just starting, you'll find a welcoming and helpful community on Sizespace. So why give it a try? Sizespace is a game changer for the world of research and publishing, and you'll love how easy and efficient it makes the process. Whether you're looking to publish a research paper, find information for a project, or simply explore the world of science, Sizespace is the perfect platform. Join now and discover the future of research. Have you heard of Originality AI? This fantastic AI-based software helps content publishers like us check our content for plagiarism and originality. And let me tell you, it's a real game changer. You see, the team behind Originality AI work with some of the best AI experts to develop and train their own AI to protect if popular AI writing tools like GPT-3, GPT-2, GPT-NEO, and GPT-J were used to create content. And with a 94% accuracy rate for content with 50 or more words, you can trust that this tool will give you the peace of mind you need. Not only does it check for plagiarism and the use of AI writing tools, but it also gives you a score from 0 to 100 on the likelihood that the scanned content was created with an AI tool. This gives you a better idea of your content and helps you determine if you need to make any changes. And the best part? Originality AI has a team management feature that allows you to quickly and securely manage your team, and with a full site scan feature coming soon, you'll be able to scan an entire website for AI-generated content. And the cost? It's a fraction of the price of other plagiarism checking tools, and it's only 1 cent per 100 words per scan. It's a significant improvement for businesses and a real time saver, giving you the confidence you need that your content is human-generated and plagiarism-free. Plus, with the automatic credit billing feature, you'll never have to wait for credits again. And with the team management and activity history feature, you or your editor will have complete control over the plagiarism check. It's a lifesaver for large teams scanning thousands of articles per month. And that's not all. Originality AI is constantly updating and improving its technology to ensure you have the best possible experience. They are continually working to make sure their software stays ahead of the game in terms of accuracy and efficiency. And what about customer support? They have got you covered there too. Their dedicated support team is always available to help you with any questions or concerns. They are always ready to assist you, whether it's a technical issue or a simple question. And the user interface? It's user-friendly and intuitive, making it easy to use even if you need to be tech-savvy. With a simple design, you'll be able to scan your content with ease. No more complicated and confusing software that takes forever to figure out how to use. In addition, Originality AI takes the privacy and security of your content very seriously. They use state-of-the-art encryption to protect your data and keep it safe from prying eyes. You can trust that your content will be secure when you use their software. In conclusion, with Originality AI, you no longer have to rely on someone else's promise that the content is original and plagiarism-free. You'll have a record of who scanned it, when it was observed, and if any AI or plagiarism was detected. All saved for reference later. So why not give your customers the confidence they need that your content is human-made and plagiarism-free? Win business from your competitors without even breaking a sweat.